The non-communicable disease unit, in collaboration with public health officers, National Environment Agency, Gambia Revenue Authority, and the police, expand the sensitization of communities on the Tobacco Control Act 2016 and Tobacco Control Regulations law enacted in 2019. The initiative is necessitated as a result of the harmful effects of tobacco use in the country. Briefing members of the Tobacco Control Committee before the exercise, Non-Communicable Disease Program Officer Fatoumata Koma reminded the team about the ministry's objective to control the demand and supply of tobacco products in the country.
If at all, one, there are open display of tobacco products, and two, if they are selling single sticks of tobacco cigarettes, because now we've passed the graphic warning provisions, which means that any cigarette pack that is coming to the Gambia has to have the sold in Gambia sticker, and at the front and the back you have pictorial diagrams showing one effect or one disadvantage of smoking. Any cigarette pack you see in the shops that does not have any pictorial warning, know that it's an illegal product. It has to be confiscated.
She said the exercise aims to assess whether shopkeepers are adhering to the 2016 Tobacco Control Act on public smoking, sale of single cigarettes in shops, open display of tobacco products, and sales to minors, which are all banned. Non-Communicable Disease Program Officer Awa Sanyang explained that the exercise focuses on the implementation of the law with regards to a smoke-free zone, enforcement of graphic health warnings on cigarette packs, and tobacco advertisement, among others.
When you look at it now and before, obviously there are improvements. In the olden days, if you are very observant, you will see a vehicle pass and you will know this is Marlboro, this is Piccadilly, this is Prince. But advertisements have been banned completely, and now hardly will you see that. You don't see it. Umbrellas, T-shirts. They will even sponsor football matches and other things. But that's no longer happening.
She, however, acknowledged the legality of tobacco sale and use, but noted that authorities are trying to protect the health of the population from the harmful effects of smoking by putting appropriate measures in place. Sanyang reminded the public that cigarettes cannot be sold to minors and packs cannot be traded without labels. Lamin Bari, public health officer at Brikama District Hospital, explained that the joint enforcement seeks to sensitize people to understand the health risk involved in smoking cigarettes, as well as laws prohibiting public smoking.
It's like they are still doing it. Despite we have been going around trying to sensitize them, orient them about the law or what's the access about selling cigarettes, but the compliance rate is low. And we have been seeing it since in the morning. We have been confiscating some cigarettes that are being sold by a single stick. And doing those things means they are violating the Tobacco Control Act 2016.
The exercise shows that some shopkeepers are still in violation of the act, with teams in the West Coast region confiscated all openly displayed tobacco products and single-sale cigarettes, cautioning shopkeepers to desist from such act. The confiscated products were counted, registered, and handed over to public health officers. Yusupha Bojang, GRTS West Coast Region.